Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bid on StockX. First, open the StockX app or visit their website. Then, navigate to the product you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy these shoes, I click on them to open the product page. Click on the green buy or bid button in the top left. Next, select your shoe size. Let's say you're a size 12. Just choose size 12 from the options. You now have two choices. Buy now at the listed price, make an offer to set your own bid. For this example, I'll click make an offer. Enter the amount you want to bid. For example, I'll choose $190. Here you can also add a discount code. Choose a bid expiry, example, 14 days. After this time, if no seller accepts, your bid will expire. Add your payment method and shipping address. You'll notice the subtotal is slightly higher than your bid amount due to StockX fees. Finally, click Review Bid, then confirm to place your bid. And that's it. That's how to bid on StockX. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.